Welcome to the Redline Controls video tutorial series. Today we will focus on harnessing the power of Modbus with Crimson 3.2. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or just starting out in the world of industrial automation, this series is designed to help you unlock the full potential of your Crimson 3.2 device. To start, select the Communications tab in the navigation pane. You'll notice here under the Network category, there's 4 protocols. These are our Ethernet protocols. To set up a Modbus protocol, select a protocol, and then in the editing pane in the center, click on the Pick button. From there, you'll see a list of manufacturers you can choose from. We're going to scroll down until you see Modbus. And then for this example, we're going to use the TCP IP master. You'll notice once we create the protocol, a device populates underneath. We can right-click and rename that to be more applicable to our project. Once you have your new name in there, we then need to update our IP address, our TCP port, and our unit number to match our device. With our device path established, we can now build out Modbus registers to read and write our data. There's 2 methods to do this in Crimson. We can build data blocks, or we can use tag level assignments. To use the data block method, simply right-click on your Modbus device and click Add Block. From there, if you select the block, you'll notice you can now choose a start address. Click the Pick button and choose where you want your registers to begin. For this example, I'm just going to use holding registers in the 40,000 range, beginning at 1. You'll also need to select which data type you plan to interpret. From there, you'll need to choose a block size. If you click this up arrow here, you'll notice on the left side, my block size begins to grow. The next setting you'll want to check is your data direction. We can choose either Crimson to device or device to Crimson, depending on if we need to read or write. Once that's all set up, we can then go over to our resource pane underneath our data tags. For this example, I've already created a few data tags. We can click and drag them and drop them straight onto the register. The second method I'll show you is assigning the registers at the tag level. To do that, in your navigation pane, go to Data Tags. I have these 5 additional tags I made for this, so I'll click on Tag Mapping 1. And if you'll see here in the editing pane underneath our data tab, we have a source option. If you remember back under communications, we named our device Modbus. So if we now go to our source tab, drop it down, we have Modbus as an option. When you click on that, you'll be prompted to then select which register you want to connect to. For this example, I'm going to choose holding registers. I'm going to change this to 6 since 1 through 5 has already been taken. And I'm going to leave my data type word as word. And just like that now, tag mapping 1 is connected to our Modbus device at the register 40,006. Repeat that process for the rest of your tags and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more step-by-step instructional videos using Crimson 3.2 software.